I've always tried to humble myself in all of our meetings because my drive is committed. We are convicted and submitted to serve our people, our community. As my representation to the office of the Eastern Naga Students Federation marks a landmark and a red letter day in the history of the Yimkhiung area office, I would like to sincerely call upon my esteemed colleagues present here to stand with me through thick and thin. With you, we can conquer the length and breadth and bring about a change in our society. Today, as we celebrate this felicitation program, honoring the achievement of the Yimkhiung area leaders and the prayers of the Yimkhiung citizen, the tribesmen, we are bestowed with more responsibilities to commit ourselves to walk the talk as we step into the office of this prestigious kingdom of the Eastern Naga Students Federation. Hajuha Isabor Yitaki Jina Amin Isa Yimkhiung Limbera Kada Isalong Malaki so Chakanasa Isa to Limbera Lan Nasayo sacrifice. Eastern Naga Sunjana Isa Yimkhiung Nishe Limbia Chana the Isa Tamkandamiki Chini in Nuheymong Tunum Malak the Dishin the Satamkandam the Ishak Tanjiro Makshe Changda Alido Chini Isa Shorudo Isa Chini Hatsu the challenging times in the Shorulodo. However, Isa your colleagues Bonabewa I have confident la Arani Malaknishi, Matamichi, Mazamishi. We took over the office on 30th of May 2025 from Kohima. Though we were nominated on 17th of April at our conference in Twingsam. Isana office tan kim is issue wa le don Yimkhiung na tan ba isa issues after issues de Yimkhiung da le so. However, I myself and my colleagues we have still stood firm to bring about a justice for our communities. So London your colleagues in to my village council, citizens, and my Mimi Village Students Union's office. Makshe Nasana team gise igi toklo awang chaka pinjam awang dise kim gise mata dise nasana iyo zil kya was in tumu koklan in izam zunum kya dise you have always had this hope on me nyo my dear esteemed member nujut na nikyang chule nuga isa kilong sin nilanga isap tsude mulung do de isap nasak mungu hilang zoji ali kifukya makshe isa kilong tse nasalim be kiching mimi kilong so isa Yimkhiung kilong klam adzube kamlo shang de inu ju makshe sheji yok tso Kimgi nasayo reception hajung ni jana disho kimgi yingi isa sangkuching isa kilim lam de jiyoki ade beyoki luma jawana ihabu ne ijak sungkya disho Eastern Naga sungkya tumu su okpa yido de ilang se chaka lumdo de jitla 2019 in Yimkhiung akira area go president siang ni changsugi jitlumber bona iki Nuheymong YAA office niyoyo na ENSF chingus disi ba de iki lim sodo go chingda ya in jitlumber go gitado I chak zumunyo I chak ilim mudoi ityukan mutsusoyi in ENSF office in the Dumbe was that in Ichak Marina de Jumon Ikim Tinang Shawranda, the Atachi, I don't know, move not ENSF from the Ashipa, that's all. Jumone Hehu, that initial Amen, so I in a other you take it, I don't know, Iki Takiching, I give up in the Joshua in a singer the show organization, also been checking. 2021 in a cumulative to me awala the dishe to Climber on 2021 ching at the same Arelim funds from the number of our former president, my friend Achom, former president YAA, have your numbers in the funds Nuheymong Nakachingla in the Egypt so you give you up the I give you la kudele jadi na ENSF president senat la igayo ina lain kelam na lama lagi itrik na ikim muru la sho aji ulama de ina soalo jo sewale isa YAA ne isa beba tiklembe na guides isa pingsang pundo in a contest, so very unfortunate. Is I Yimkhiung. The truth in Nuheymong is I Yimkhiung. He ordered the Chumburana. I had a Yimkhiung in there. Like he was the president, China Abu vice president. Vice president Gimgi inducts the Sodona. My former president, Mr. Yimkhiung. He gave contest such a the Asumai. 이게 아홀도 달래 그때부터 아홀라 라세 이주 아비오 presidency 칭 슈모로고 저절에 됐어 있는 줄lumba I humbled myself in your presidency funds 이게 그 election 칭 아홀도는 미아방 진이창의 in your vice president in your president 이게는 ENSF office 주 그대 슈바 아즈그 나홀 들레만 이게 자 내가 이게 하말라가 주문은 Ichak na mulung ani sa pa. Oh, ichak confidence lost the sawa. Tumade ige rock office ka lang sumuba. Sumuba tsule that's why ina abi ise. I'm told I was the first person to call him. That's why ige kalam na kalam best wishes ja chiwa. Ige sumura gido. For which chini ina ha isa Yimkhiung. Mung the first Yimkhiung to the first ENSF president I owe my gratitude to my former president, Mr. Yimkhiung also. He shaped me. He assigned me in a very crucial areas also. So I've been in a situation I've been in experienced state government level I've been in sites you experiencing I'm so indebted to my former president also, and I always thank God for the privileges I had during the last tenure also. Kini, my advisor is here. I've been with you, Kanata Shatado. I once again congratulate you, sir. Under your guardianship, under your advisory, I'm very hopeful. When I say this, I'm very optimistic. ENSF office will grow and will bring about a better, very big shift in all aspects. Kini, my friend, si Achong, my assembly secretary, abi isalong had a felicitation ching, niberongko. Nasana amutu lumje, abi ju azubelu, ju haching lang Shamator ching lang zubeala. I've been to the emotionally to the ilimche phones. yapsu asal malang nagin ike dalam bijam kia bise. Jadi she abina she abi maru kitchen kia. Menjual amat dalam jadi tu. Tuma dia tu abi health issues lamona, abi treatment cing lamona, abina malang go. Cumana ini isa sambujin kedang kisah ariyo al Federal Assembly ni so ahor be kedang laga. Jadi juda abang don lagi cing jadi oh cing ni sana ada isa ilim. Peyok cing je maru kitchen sana menjual amat dalam jadi. Ige executive cing la kaya limbera tu Mr. Yimkhiung abi yo advisor sede sana kamasam tu modal lewa. Issues ai cik lang la. Ini zon ye isa kedang ba isin ne. Isana directive akyokse kibose education department related che isana ngalawa. Cumuni isa tu kimsem bela. Jadi se nasatam khandam ne. Isan lung lem da show. Jumungo mi isana sumo si alala cing aku koksam dulu ba ini confident la. Cumuna nasatam khandam ne dendan lajang. Last but not the least, I would like to place my sincere gratitude, my highest respect to Mr. Chungso, President Yimkhiung Tribal Council. His able leadership, his visions for the Eastern community. My friend Mr. Yimkhiung, President YAA, his esteemed colleagues' vision for the Eastern Nagas, for the growth of Yimkhiung community, made this possible. And had they not been Niki Malakla, Niki Limbeki, Mutzikla, Kini Isa, Chuksuna, Nuheymong, Kalang, Aku Wotsade, Aku Wetsade, Isa ENSF office, Akuno Wotsade, Mubin Shakte, Alabushi Alaka, this year. Nige limbeki ziki, nige mengemihi, nige limbeki cing isa Yimkhiung zhe, zhe ki, zhe mengemihi, ki hodan isa ki nyanyi mung tenjido, tu lemberbo makshe, ini nasa ki aja asung budemu melawa, iwa advisor ni nasa ki makshe hodan budemu thata, aja asung budemu melawa, oh iwa assembly secretary ni nasa ki makshe hodan, tuma aja asung budemu melawa, jadi isa makshe dihi asuk lungna jole bisa tam kena asuk pe nasa lungla deju akyam se de tap cho lemna lang na mjoba nasa tam kena na kinyi nasa na de lam nam de be yokiro la chang de dihi hajuna akyam se de tap cho thank you everyone, God bless you, God bless you.